Hello there. So today we'll be trimming and shaping our eyebrows. So I have this small scissor brush and eyebrow shaper. So to start us off, because I already started working on this other brow, is another thing that you'll need if you don't have aloe vera, because I'll be using aloe vera. You can even use Vaseline or any other oil that you have around. So this will help, because with aloe vera, when you have itching after you've shaped your eyebrows, it will help to relieve the itching, and it also makes it so smooth so that it's very easy to shape, because when it's smoothened out, when you're shaping it, like the blade comes clear when you're using aloe vera. I don't know if you're getting me, but yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is to just brush the eyebrows going upwards. So after brushing them going upwards, you're going to hold your eyebrow like this. You're just going to bring it up a little bit, and then you're going to use that scissor to trim the top part of it. So after you've brushed, some of the hair, the ones that are too long, are going to come up like that, you see. So you brush the longer hair, going to come up like that, and then what you're going to do is to just trim the top of it. The last time I went for someone to do my eyebrows, he really trimmed the edge of it, like the end of it, and I did not like it. So that's why I decided to start doing my own brows myself, so that that's why you can see the end of it is really thin. This was from the previous trim, which was done in a salon. So after that, you're going to take the shaper, and then you're just going to curve it to the shape that you want. If you want it to be straight, you're just going to use the tip of the shaver first to just bring the shape that you want. If it's curved, if it's straight, you're just going to trim it in a straight line. If it's curved, you're going to determine the middle part, and when you get to the middle part, you're just going to make a curve on it. And then after that, you're going to place the blade in a straight. You're going to place the blade straight, and then you're just going to trim the edges of it. So you're just going, you can start from the front of the brow, and then you're just going to trim it while you shape like that. So you're just going to continue until you're happy with the results. So I'll be going in with the aloe vera again. This is just to relieve itching and also to make it quite easier for you to trim. So just going to repeat on the front part, just to make sure it looks straight. And then after that, I'm going to work also on the top of the brow, just to do the same thing. So the thing here is just to make sure the edges are straight. So if you want the front to also be straight, you're just going to start from the front of it and then make a straight, or from the back and make a straight line. If you want it to be curved, you're going to determine the middle part, and then when you get to the middle part, you'll start curving downwards. So I'm just going to start from the top while going towards the brow, just being very keen. At this point, make sure you're using a mirror. I forgot to say that, make sure you're using a mirror, and just start from the top of it while going towards where the brow is, just to trim all that, the hair around that place, to make sure that you form a straight line, because at times when you're shaky, you might end up cleaning all the brow and it will look really crazy. So just be careful, take your time, there's no hurry, and just trim from up to down, just cleaning that area. It's like you're cleaning it. Yeah. So you'll continue doing that. Just make sure every edge looks clean and neat. You'll just continue confirming. Just get very close to the mirror and just confirm to make sure everything is done neatly. When I'm done, I'll just take a cotton pad or wipes just to clean out the brow, to clean those excess hair. And then after that, you're going to take your blade again, and then you're going to shave around your forehead just to remove any other hair that is just around that place. It makes your brow looks clean when you've shaved all the hair on the top of it, on the side, in between your brows. Just be sure not to shave your brow while doing this. So just be really keen. Just do it on the forehead, around in between the brows, just around that area. Just do some cleaning there like that. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next video. I hope this video was of great help to you, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.
Baby.